Hi, how's it going folks? I'm Scott Strigan and this is Ark Survival Evolved, my Taming Bonanza. I was about to say my beginner's guide, but that's tomorrow. So, if you're enjoying the series, drop us that thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you don't miss an episode, drop us a like, and yeah, subscriptions are always most welcome. Right, our next victim is just over by, there we go. I was going to say that's a funny looking poison wyvern, but yeah, that's quite a cool one now. Right, it's this chappie here, the Iguanodon. Right, and we're going to swap guns at the moment. Because I've got a funny feeling that this rifle would kill it. So we're going to swap down to a primitive. We'll keep the big elephant gun for the big tunes. Oh, there he is. And we'll bowler him. Which is good, we can be bowlered. So always keep that in mind. If you can bowl or a tame, the best thing to do is get it bowlered. Alright, just going to take a couple of shots. 14, 13. As long as that doesn't drop and I shoot the wyvern. There we go. Right, so we can pop that away now so nothing else gets shot. Because my shooting skills are absolutely horrendous. Right, we'll just back the wyvern up a bit. Right, so we're going to have a wee look at this chappie over here. He is the Iguanodon. He is actually a really good team. Early game, even later game actually. He is a fantastic berry collector, but he also has another ability, should we say, which is to take those berries and turn them into seeds. So if you are actually looking for berries for farming, he is ideal to get your seeds, to get you started, like your berry seeds and things. I know he comes in a lot handier that way for doing like modded dino mods and stuff, like not so much Pugnacia, but like Primal Fear, things like that. More the modded side of things that you need a lot of seeds for. But you can get your seeds for your major berry seeds and stuff, like if you're wanting to do a farm. So that's his abilities. Apart that he's great at collecting berries, he can turn them into seeds. He's also got one other trick. He can either walk about in 2 legs, or he can run about in 4, all 4s. And I'm pretty sure when it's on all 4s, he doesn't use any stamina. He can run forever. It's one of his really good abilities, that he can run forever when he's running on all 4s. So we'll get this chappie tamed up. Don't know if I'm close enough to the base to actually pull stuff to make him a saddle. Let's try. And the stuff's just up there. So it's one of the great things about PC. Inventory, crafting, saddles, AG. What's that? There we go. Iguanodon. Can we pull it? Yes, we can. Excellent. That saves me having to walk up into the base to make him a saddle. It's just laziness on my behalf. Yeah, I won't have to walk up the ramp and then walk to the smithy or that, to where the storage is. Right, so I suppose we better give him something to eat, to tame. He is another berry tamer. Predominant berry tamer or simple kibble. Base veggies as well is the second best thing to tame it on. But yeah, it's actually quite a cool wee dino. Oh, no, one time. Oh, I can't put that on yet, that's why, because I haven't tamed it. Right, right, one simple kibble. So basically that's the next step up from the regular kibble. So, is that one? No? I'm trying to remember the order they come in. There we go. Right, so it's one simple kibble. There we go. They are actually quite a quick tame. So, just have one wee look. That's going to annoy me. Simple kibble. It's the second kibble. Is it? I thought it was basic. Aye. Right, okay. Green before the blue. Right. Okay. Not to worry. Just I'm talking away to myself in my head and it's just not making any sense either. Right. So there we have it. We have the Iguanodon. Iguanodons for another game that I used to play. Right, so there you have them. He's actually pretty cool. There you go, seed, fruit and inventory. Right, we'll have a wee look at it and see what it does. Right, so we've got plenty of, right, there we are there. When it's like that, it doesn't run out of stamina. I think. There we go, yeah. You see when he puts his hands down? Right, you can run about, 2 legs. It's his fighting stance really. And then when he's running about on 4. So there we have it. And while he's running about, as well, you can just while he's running about, should I say, you can just carry on harvesting berries and wood and everything else. So, right, we'll have a wee look into his inventory. Where is he? There it is there. Right, so we've got all these berries here. Right, so if I just come out of that and behold, E, no, I don't know. Jump off them. We hold E, or I'm trying to think what button that would be in the console. I'm not sure. My mind's like a sieve sometimes. Right, so we'll go over to seed fruit inventory. That's just your radio wheel. And did he just do that there? Yes, he did. Right, so then we will check access inventory, and all the berries we had have now all been turned into seeds. But he also gathers your main seeds you want, your crop seeds, but he turns basically all the berries into seeds. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so, and he's got the ability to run as well. That's him walking on 2 legs. Drop him down into 4. There we go. You can see that he dips forward when he goes on his 4 legs. And when he's like that, really he doesn't use any stamina. Which he is actually pretty nimble, he can get about pretty quickly. Don't think we'll put that away yet. I think it'll be a case of take him up with the base. We'll have a look. Alright. Just get up there. What's wrong with you? Okay. Oh, is that why? No. Yeah, it was. I wonder what was wrong, it was still in K mode. So, inventory. I don't know, you know, really look at a bit better when it's a bit better light. So yeah, there he is there. Iguanodon. Aye, you can run forever. You can turn your berries into seeds if you want them to. Don't really know why you would want to, but maybe for some of the, as I said, some of the Mori games. But there you have it. Our next victim's been tamed. Right, so if you're enjoying the series, hit that thumbs up. If you're enjoying both any of my series, actually, I do have two on the go at the moment. I've got the beginner's guide and I've got this one running sequentially, so it's one day for this, one day for the next, which is just about to get interesting in the beginner's guide. But there you have it, the Iguanodon. So take care, stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.